Hey YouTube, Jacklin's got a new song out with the group RVG. They're an Australian post-punk band. I have a lesson on their song Alexandra. Hello. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, this is a cover version of a Bjork song called Army of Me. And so the verse is just C minor to C sharp major. Stand up. Then it goes to E flat. And if you complain once more, you mean an army of me. That's the chorus. So let's go over the chorus chords. We have E flat major at the 6th fret. And then we go to a B flat major. Then we go to an F minor, to a G sharp major. So it's 6th fret, 6th fret, minor at the 1st fret, and then major at the 4th fret. I guess it's part of some kind of Melbourne. The city of Melbourne is artists from there are making singles, collaborating. Yeah, RVG. There's also the initials of their lead singer and songwriter. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.